Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to add a working code computer to your Gorilla Tag fan game. Huge shout out to B.Awesome for making this possible. You can find this package in my Discord, link in the description. If you need any help, join the Discord. Let's get into it. So first, what you want to do is come to my Discord server, which you can find in the description, and come to this channel called Code Computer. And all you have to do is press download on this Unity package. Here is my game. So what you want to do is in your game, press import package and then custom package. Then it should just be where you downloaded it. And then here, press all and then import. Give it a second to load. So now it should have made a new folder in your assets called code. Open this and you should see the code computer. Drag this into your game. You can resize it whatever you want. And then all the materials might be a different colour. So just add your materials onto each one of these keys. If you don't want to do it all separately, then unpack it completely by right clicking, prefab, unpack completely. Then select all of the keys. Go to your materials folder and just drag whatever you want into here. So now that you have your monitor and your keyboard set up, go onto your Photon VR manager and then make sure join room on connect is disabled. So now this will work, but it's not fully finished yet. Now we're going to add a public button and a leave button. So what you want to do is select your backspace and your enter, Control D, and then drag them down a bit. And then I'm going to have this one as my public and this one as my leave. And now on both of our keys here, we're going to remove the script that has been put onto it. And now if you want to rename them in your hierarchy just to make it more readable, you can, but I'm not going to. And now on the leave button, you want to add leave room. And then on public, add join room. So now this should all be working, but the last step to make sure you have no errors is on your leave button where it says hand tag. Make sure that this is set to hand tag, and then go onto your Gorilla rig, Gorilla player, and then select left and right controllers, and then make sure the tag is set to hand tag, otherwise it won't work. So now everything should be working fine. So if I press play, I don't have an offline rig set, so on my Photon VR manager I've had to set this to enabled, but you guys, if you have a offline rig, make sure it's disabled. And then if I press the leave button, you can see it makes me leave the code, but since I have join on connect, it just puts me in another one. And then of course public works as well. There you go. And all the keys should be working fine. You can press enter and it'll put you in that room that you typed. So that's how to do it. If you need any help, then just go to another Pixel Games server, link in the description. Go to the help channel and then just ping me here and I'll try help you the best I can. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Keep awesome, keep going with your games. I'll see you in the next one.